Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a Q&A. This is my cousin Sash. Yeah, we're in at the club.
Bad girl step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
We're in our front row. That's where we are. Anyways, it's a Q&A based on life experience.
Personal in a sense, but yeah, fun, mostly fun.
Maybe next time, if you don't want a Q&A next time, you just comment under the video and make one want to ask.
Yeah man, and if you want it raw, you can just hashtag it.
Alright, my first question is, oh, and guys, we have my paper because sometimes you forget my question, so I just start to get through it right now. Alright, so when you're asleep now, right? And you dream something, you think you feel it in a real life. So for instance, your dream say you feel a way and
Stop right there, so I understand the question. I'm gonna tell you, yes, sometimes most of my dream them feel real. You know, like everybody know that common one here. Your dream say you're peace and peace bed. A long time something there, yeah. So yeah, most
so like experience.
Of course, my peace bed. Well, did no, just for fun.
Listen keenly.
No man, I'm too nervous man. But yeah, everybody reach a point in their life where them piss bed and them grow up and them don't piss bed. So yeah, dreams tend to feel real in a sense. If you have a friend and are a friend, real genuine friend, and all of a sudden our mouth just start smell.
Right round the clock.
Like yeah, right round the, like normally you would smell it, but then it just start like the first time I smell it, it was like maybe she have a bad day and she never have brush her teeth, so she
or maybe she not eat.
Or maybe she do that thing that she don't brush her teeth, so kinda. But alright, fine. How would you deal with that situation? You would continue talking at your face with her body?
Alright.
Or
me have a friend, just like how me have a family, me have a friend. So if something wrong with me, you want to tell me, so me want to have that, a connection there. So if your mouth stink now, me go tell you, because at the end of the day, if you go on the road and somebody tell you say your mouth stink, you not go look good. And then I go say, oh, you know a bell friend, and oh you did say I'm a friend and my mouth stink, or you didn't know what they said. Exactly, so me go tell her, because if something wrong with me, I want you to tell me. If she see something wrong, you have to can tell me, and if you're a real friend, you're supposed to can help one another out. But you go around with a big stinking mouth friend. Listen to me, I'm not part with stinking mouth friend.
I know somebody would do it.
So you have a friend now, she only there around you to see a man, what you would do?
Alright. All of who me talk to know say, one screw Mr. Fry so, 2 round here so. I like maybe 2 screw alone and hold it up here so. Up here so no good. Now, if it's a case where my man uphold with the slackness, I'll go to prison. So I just plan to carry a pack of matter and
listen to me. Come me here say, what do you hear say one girl, one baby mother. Although everybody feel different about certain situation, not everybody can handle the situation the same. So she have her man and she find out so the man have a side chick and she and the man fight. Remember the see what happened, but that me hear. And you think say me, I see one man with a girl and me got about me a fight.
Stop right there so.
We are talking about.
Wait, let me answer that. Let me address that situation then. You see? Everybody different, as I say. I have one temper which sometimes I can't even control. But you see, the only way I will grab that woman there, that girl first, if she dry eye enough, you go on like say, our man. You
that's
understand?
different, you know.
That different. But But even so, if you try to embarrass me in a crowd, everybody knows say you're a side girl, and then you have me post up with, I know you me a war over, are you me a war? Cause you take me for idiot. So me I got make sure say enough people see you as idiot, yeah. Before some wear all one skirt or one dress coming I told what I know. And when time I beat you, I take off my underwear and beat you with it. So everybody are gonna say, oh, y'all clown, cause him woman beat him with jazz. Just like how you have me as mascot, me I make sure turn you in a mascot before we left. Next question.
Oh, I'm not done yet, cause you pass me.
Why?
Oh, put me on play. Alright, so me know when me feel like say if you have a man and him go post up with a girl or have a next girl, him not really love you. That's the truth. So me now say it's like the situation is not a girl a post up herself by the man, cause that different. But the man I go on with a side chick and him in a car and all them things and I drive the girl. And oh yeah, talk to me not fight no girl over no man. Cause you see when me hear it happen say is the girl end up dead and the other one gone to prison. But now I fight no girl over no man. Cause you see even if I did the other way around or the two of them they are prison, the man I go left the two of them and go look two other girls to go grind. And that's the truth. So
you
me must go fight.
I will contradict myself in a sense.
No, see me I do that.
I will contradict myself in a sense now. I'm in a 9. But look at it. Ladies, you need for up on a game. You come like one piece of man ding dong nowadays. For true.
I am in.
No man, you not see no man. A Uncle Chris in a governor song, me hear follow up man and take them woman. Hello. Woman born at time, but still a man a always be a man, them a always do certain things. My girl, if you're in a relationship don't give no man no 100. Not even give 95, but if you want to give 94, fine. But right there say stop light a blink so you know when time you reach 94 you're going to cruise.
So yeah,
you know shadow the
body, yeah, talk but one to the good man. Some good man about you know.
Yeah, good man, but me not finish that. Wait now. When time you reach the 94 and you see say you move sideways baby. Go on like you're crap too, you don't understand them way there. You move sideways too.
But you know, you are talk something wrong still. Well, not so wrong, but you know when you them say woman born altar. And when the man them give born they can't take it back. So now that's a one from what when the woman them start you are the man them born, them a kill them. What you talk to? Not for the woman them now know where to go.
Not for them careless. Not for them no one go look no work. So they want to take the people them son things them and then take them for idiot and mascot them out.
Stop fight the people.
You have to fight them because guess what? I them some them in a life.
Yeah, that different. If a woman no want to work now, she just
so when you do them something baby, man I go on to take you for any type of mascot and then as you do something it irritate them. Why? I mean I provide for you, I mean I make sure say alright, I mean I do this, I mean I do that and you not have no farmer conscience in a sense.
No right.
You not have no right, yeah, for real. If you do it because you're my daughter and me I take care of you. Obviously call it that because if a man take care of you, them feel like you're obligated to keep the coochie in the jar inside of the house that they're paying for under the AC or underneath the fan that they are paying the electricity bill for and all of them good stuff there. So when you find the man them where you want mascot out and you want to take them things, keep the coochie in the jar. My question?
I think so.
My question. Your primary school boyfriend, you know primary school you have like boyfriend crush and whatever. So for example, when I left primary school and him not deal with you, him ex your whole time life and all that.
So when did that talk like from before and then him just
him do GSAT and him
so from then left the
switch
school
up.
and just
So me go say Ozzy and him pass Ozzy and him go like maybe JC or one KC, you understand? So he might go further out of the zone. So it's harder for you to see each other and whatever. But he not talk to you after that. You see him, you call to him, and he's like. But then you still have that feeling, the film, because you know them crush. When you are crushed by somebody, you know, it give you butterflies, you know.
Yes, it give you wings.
It give you wings like Red Bull, yeah. So yeah, you have that nigga there, right? And when you get older, like when you start communicate, because he texts you, and of course are you crush, so you don't really want to talk to him, and you want to talk to him because of your crush. And him reach out to you and not talk, and him say, you know, some other try this again because me realize him really like it on a level now. How you go about, how would you deal with that? Cause
well, me you know, me are one of the smaller percentage of people saying that maybe deal with things different, real different. So you know I'm going like you don't know me from how long, and it come like you have a couple girl and them give you a bun or you go catch AIDS. I want to come send it off for me. Cause all along, you know, remember me, cause you gonna JC and you at, and I just say, well, I boy them there, and you know, the girl them love the boy them at JC and all of that. You get what me I say? So you get what you get, or no, you want to come take advantage and come call up my phone, but baby, who? Me? This a girl? Me not look at you. Crush or no crush, that the crush they dead. You hear me say? That they crush right up like when you crush up paper. You hear me say? You sit more while you have to think about certain things. All along they not pay no mind, and all of a sudden they remember you just so and outside the blues.
All good liars, you know.
They remember you just so after all long. But so all when me not in a relationship, me not give up.
It's
I
a
don't
bonus
give a
question
damn.
now.
Would you date a guy that's shorter than you?
Shorter? No, I personally like the long banana them. So I'm not really go for the short.
So, oh, you were sure said the banana them short because the guy is short.
Mostly, majority of short niggas have them short or something.
Maybe I just them height alone, not.
No, most of them
Get-
short or something. Hold on, most of them short or something. But like them tall, I have tall and black. I may pass few browns, but black. I'm not racist because I'm not racist. But would I date a
So
short
that's a
nigga?
good
No.
reason.
I wouldn't date. I wouldn't date a short nigga. And them say short one tear sheet and a one sheet upon my bed and you not tear it.
Oh, my dear, she's gonna reach up on the bed.
But I don't know. What's your favorite position?
What is wrong with this girl? Shut the night up, shut the night up. Don't mix me, my dog. Now we're going to the bonus questions. So the same friend now, I get flirtatious with your man. She will come to you and say to you, say she did that test you. And you never ask a girl to test your man. How would that go?
You know, say something like that happened in my life, but I don't need that too. I'm a good sister. No, the girl. No, take fast boat. Say she have a friend, and she gonna make her friend you know, test the nigga. So you know, do not more than give the girl her man number, make the girl a flirt with her man. Push come to shove. She that must kiss him or do the next thing.
There's a suck out him tongue.
French pistol. Me? I never trust a girl. Yeah, I did tell him I not trust a girl. I just remember her name, I call her name. I don't trust a girl.
Me personally, no. I'm not make a girl test my man. I ain't gonna do that. Me I test it myself and make him. Well, me I gotta test it myself. But me personally, why the hell you gonna get that girl to test your man when you know what can be the outcome of whatever? And then your man know him be strong now, cause if him say my your man, him supposed to be your man, the man.
True.
Cause you have to take it as you actually are sending for go take your man from you, which no friend can't take my man from me.
For some pies in the friend and the man.
When you say we don't get your way, there's no way.
No way. Jesus did write it in the long book of life. If I don't get my way, no way I get. You mad?
Yeah, but that friend they bright too, cause she
Well.
go on like she did the friend.
And then she talk up in her face now about the
Oh, you couldn't come to me now. You could believe it or not.
First
you
thing
couldn't
from
come
how
to
she
me.
start move, me know say she fishy or something fishy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You see from a scared girl start behave where you cut them off. You would have fight your man or you'd have take lick. What to like some of the women will say, if a man not lick them, then I love them. Wait, what do you think about that phrase?
I would normally say this out loud, but bearing the fact that everybody's going to hear it, I'm not going to publish my, you know, saying it like that. But my always tell me say, it's legal. Okay,
It's legal.
it's legal.
To do what?
Eh?
To fight?
No. No.
To take beat now?
Me? No. I'm a talk. No, I can't
You don't have to
this on
talk
camera.
everything, you know, but just say, if you have to fight.
Tell me say, him have my back.
Alright, done.
You see me?
Alright, finish.
So, if you see where the sun rise over Nicril and not St. Thomas side, then guess what? Try me.
Eh?
No, what your position, Satan? Shadowy bricks. Shadowy bricks.
So like you basically you say that now work if a man
No, me I say.
if man not love
It
you.
now work. So if you love me and you lick me,
No, that's
so
a
if
thing.
you reach a point where you have to lick me,
It's-
go on, cause you not have no daughter big
It's
like.
so
And even if it's an old man, me
stupid.
take up. We have daughter my age, sir. Look at my birth paper, you don't see any my father. So don't try it. I will fight till I die. I mean, I'm
That ain't
gonna run
me.
away.
Hell no.
I'm on the battlefield for my body.
That was stupid. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Sasha and this is Belle. Bye.
Mwah.